You're going to get tips and advice about how and where to pack all your camping gear in or on your vehicle.
This plan will work whether you're going camping just for a weekend or an entire week. The bulk of your gear will remain about the same. The only thing that will vary is the amount of food you'll be taking.
We'll be showing you how we organize all this to fit in here. The Wanderbug. If we can find a way to fit all of our camping gear in here, you'll for sure be able to pack your vehicle just fine. When we get into camp, this is the first bag we grab for, so it has to be the easiest to get to. It has the tent, tarp, and chairs in it.
This is a waterproof duffel bag designed for whitewater rafting, so there's no chance anything is going to get wet in here. Unlike most modern vehicles, these old VW Beetles had most of their weight in the rear. So it won't hurt us any by putting some heavier stuff up front. In the front trunk or frunk. This is 2 gallons of fresh water. We'll use it mostly for just cleaning up around camp. We're going to have easy access to drinking water all along the route we're about to take. So 2 gallons will be plenty, and this will help cut down on the dreaded weight we're adding to this vehicle.
After the tent is set up, we go for this pack next. It has our mattress, sleeping bag, and pillows.
It's going to be a tight fit, but this will help with our weight distribution. The last thing we're going to put up front is equipment we're going to be using with our winch. There's a strap in here, there's a pulley, a bunch of shackles, gloves, everything we need for that. And those get held in place with this bungee so they don't rattle around. And this is our fuel gauge.
Next is our kitchen and all the other necessities of camping. All of this goes into one of these boxes.
As much as I hate to put weight up on the roof, it is the best place for this. There isn't a whole lot of room inside, which you'll find out soon.
These items, air pump and first aid kit and engine cover, will go into this box. And there'll be a little extra room, so maybe I can sneak in some wine or extra clothes.
Now these boxes are not 100% waterproof. They tend to lift up on the lid right here and ruin that seal, but the strap over it cinches that down, cures that problem. And just like the duffel bag, just take one of these cam buckle straps and strap it down tight. Now we go to the inside, and like I said earlier, there's not a whole lot of room in here. Now we already have semi-permanently mounted in here a 20-liter fridge and the extra battery that powers it. And in this little box here, we keep the essentials that we need when we're driving during the day.
Now the really heavy weights.
And since our repair parts and tools are so heavy, best place for them is down low on the floor.
These are all of the clothes we're taking for a 6-day trip, compressed into these little cubes, and also our hygiene stuff.
This is pretty light, so we can just throw this towards the rear.
Being content creators, we have to take our cameras with us. In these are cameras, microphones, and accessories to capture video footage.
And these need to be readily available, easy to grab while we're driving.
Last but certainly not least is a day pack holding rain gear and our bug shirts. We'll be going up to the Northwoods where the mosquitoes are as big as crows.
This we'll throw right behind the driver's seat. Now, let's talk a little bit about weight. Putting extra weight on a vehicle will greatly reduce its performance. It will cause the brakes to get hotter, and it puts a lot more load on the suspension components. So the lighter we can keep our vehicles, better off we're going to be. The Bug, with the two of us in it, the fridge and the extra power unit and a full tank of gas, comes in around 2,200 pounds. Very light. And now, with all our camping gear, water, food for 6 days, we're at 2,450 pounds, which is awesome. My goal was to keep it under 2,500, so yay.
Wow, isn't our 4Runner at 6,000?
Yeah, fully loaded camping gear. 4Runner tips up around 6,000 pounds, so this is a super lightweight. And we purposely chose the camping gear as minimalist as we possibly could for this build here, because it is small, has a small engine, so that power to weight ratio needs to be considered. Stay tuned. We're going to very soon be uploading a video of the adventure we're about to take this out on.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and we hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching.